So, kid, what's your name anyway?
My name is
Nano, N-A-N-O.
Burn that shit. Danos barca el gallón, el atún que quemo yo, fumando y dando vuelo. Ya doy vuelo en first class, mente viaja bien relax.
Hey man, what's good? It's your boy Nano bringing another video. Today we out here with the Mamalona and we got a little fix. Hopefully I don't fuck up my truck and make it look worse. But hey, I looked up a video. I was just randomly on YouTube and I'm like, how to remove a corner dent, because I have a corner dent in my truck. Here it is. It's pretty deep, bro. It honestly is. It's pretty bad. But I don't know why I never thought I could literally just remove this tail light and literally like try to pop it out. I don't know. I literally don't know why I never thought of that. But we're gonna see what's up, bro. We're gonna see if we can do anything with this. Here we go. Here we go. Didn't find all the tools I needed. I wanted to take this tail light completely off, but I have this damn zip tie. I have it zip tied together. But I can still get in there. I can see it. You can see it, man. You can see it right there. That's what it is. It's not bad, dude. But I don't have all the tools I needed, like I said. But hopefully we can do what we got. This is what I got, man. Some hammers. But see, it's not gonna be. It's not. I need something smaller.
Bottom side, it's open down here. We can come up and hit it from the bottom side, but I like this one because we've got support right here and this is round. It shouldn't make it have a sharp edge on it like a punch or a chisel would. It's starting to push it back out.
Yeah, so I'm gonna do some.
Another option that we'd have.
Like mom. And I hit the back part behind the wheel, so I didn't really do any real damage. Besides dent, it gave a bigger dent in their car.
Yeah.
Y ni de esa la fui a meter allá, ¿verdad? La parrilla chiquita.
What? She's nowhere near, the way you're supposed to do it yet.
The DIY method.
I have no body. Get down here where it's this is just places that I don't want to get Bondo on and Looks like a skull. Kinda.
Ew.
No sé por qué colgaron esas cosas estos chamacos curiosos. Mira, que ella menos se quiere ahorcar varias veces ya.
Cool thing about this.
Thank you guys so much for watching. That's gonna be the end of today's video. That was filmed over a year ago, and I want to show you the results and how it ended up turning out. This is like a year later. I swear it looked a little bit better when he first got it done. Like, I swear the paint matched a little bit more, but he didn't use the correct paint, so it doesn't match. And I'm actually noticing that it chipped right there. They didn't notice that before, and it did at first. It didn't have this flaw right here, but now the Bondo is cracking. So, hey, but it's not a fat ass dent like it used to be. I honestly need to sand this back down, do the Bondo work myself, and then hit it with the right amount of paint, because yeah, I don't like this ugly looking patch right there. But that's how it ended up turning out. Shout out to my dad, because he saw me struggling that day and he took over. He's like, yeah, let me show you how it's done. And he got it done, bro. I swear, I think it only took him like that day. I'm pretty sure he got it done in that day or 2 days. I'm sorry for lacking on the videos. I know I'm always recording, but I'm never editing, bro. That's my problem, man. I have so many videos. I literally have videos vaulted like from a year ago, year and a half ago. Like, I'm just slacking. I'm sorry, guys. But hey, if you did enjoy, drop a like, drop a comment. I got more videos dropping. Thank you guys so much for 25,000 subscribers. We just hit that today, bro. That's actually insane, bro. On the road to 100K, bro. I can see it. I can envision it, man. We gonna get it there.
That's all, folks.
Life moving fast, that's why I sip slow. Used to wake up every morning, jamming Big Mo. That's when I was a little nigga, couldn't wait till I got a little bigger. Had a rap flow and shirt on, cause favorite song said fuck heel figure. You know how that go, I let them know.